What if I say Claude Code is completely free? Yes, you heard it right. In this video, I will show you step by step how to download and install Claude Code without paying anything. No hidden cost, no tricks. Hi there, Sumit here and welcome back to SpineOWL. So this video will be divided in three sections. First, we will get a free API key with the help of OpenRouter. Second, we will download and install Claude Code in our local machine. Third, once it gets downloaded completely successfully, then we will run it in terminal and Google Antigravity as well. So I'm very excited to teach this and I hope you will be the same. So without further ado, let's get dive into the video. So to get the API key, first of all, we'll just go to the Chrome and we'll type here OpenRouter and just simply enter. In the first website you can see, you click here this link and you can see this OpenRouter.ai website has been opened, right? So when you first time open this website, you need to create an account. So from here actually you can create, because I already created the one, so I will not create an again. I'll just simply click on this get API key button. Once I'll click it, I'll delete the previous one. Okay, so yeah, I'll just simply click on create button and here I'll simply write like Claude test API key. Okay, credit limit gonna be like 20. It is completely optional. Reset limit every time, so I just want like monthly basis pay, and expiration should be like 1 year, and simply click on create. Once you click on create, just copy this key, this API key. You just simply need to copy it and store it somewhere else, like in notes. You can just simply copy here because we're gonna use it later, right? So that's how we get the API key successfully. If I go to the website of this, you can see here model. So what kind of model they are offering us? So there are tons of models, which are some of are free, some of are lesser, cheaper than its actual original price. Like Google Gemini 4, 31 billion free, right? Quan 3.6 is free. If you just simply want to get all the list of all the free models, just simply type here like free and click enter. You will see all the free models are there, right? So we can use all these free models. If we go in ranking section, so you can basically analyze that market share and all, like market stuff, benchmarking that how accurate a particular model it is. So like on the top, Claude Opus 4.7 is number one. Second, Google Gemini 3.1 preview is there. GPT 5.4 is third one, and so on, right? Fasted model, what it is. So all the things are there, right? So yeah, we got the API key successfully. Now we will focus to install Claude Code basically. So in the Chrome, we'll type Claude Code and simply enter it, right? And just simply click on this website claudecode.com, like in the landing screen only. You just simply see one command actually. So there you can see like get Claude Code, right? So just simply copy this command and now open terminal, right? And just paste it over here and just run it. It will take some time. Basically our Claude Code is getting installed in our machine, so it will take some time. Wait for a while. So as you can see here that our Claude Code installed successfully. Here you can see that version, it's saying like 2.1.114. So yeah, our Claude Code installed successfully. To check it whether it's working properly or not, just simply type here CLAUD, Claude, and just simply enter button, and asking for like whether do you trust this folder or not. Yes, I do. Simply allow it, and as you can see here that our Claude Code is, yeah, it's open, right? Current model is like Gemini 2.0 Flash 001. I have basically another interesting website which I'll put it in the description box. So here in this website you can basically compare all the models like Claude, Gemini Pro, Quan 3, DeepSeek, and also free routers, right? If you compare the paid models, so they are quite cheaper with the actual subscription. Like Sonnet 4.6 you'll get in only $9. Gemini 2.5 is also you'll getting in $1.40. Quan is free, right? Free router is free. So yeah, performance wise, Opus 4.6. so if you are working on some client project or some really important project, right? So I would definitely recommend you to use Opus 4.6 because it's more accurate from other models actually. So yeah, so what we are going to do here, we just simply open Antigravity. So let's go to the Google Antigravity. By the way, I already made a video to install Google Antigravity. So if you want to know how to install it, I'll just mention it in the description box as well of that particular video. So just type here Antigravity. So once my Antigravity gets opened, right, I'll simply open up I'll create another folder. Let's call it testing Claude, and just create it, and I'll open this folder. I do trust, yes, I trust in this particular folder as well. Now what I'm going to do, I'll just open the terminal. So from the top click here, new terminal. Also from here you can also open the terminal from here, actually from here, right? So wherever you want. So because our Claude Code get installed successfully, so we'll type here as well like Claude, CLAUDE, and just simply hit. Same thing happened like in the terminal. So basically that terminal and this terminal is there is nothing difference between both of these two. Okay, all the things you can do here as well and there as well. So you can see that our Claude is installed. Now the API key which we got installed, like which here you can see that some extensions error actually. So yeah, to fix it, we will use that free API key which we got it from OpenRouter. So what I'm going to do, from this website, we will basically whatever you want to prefer, like if you want to get Gemini Pro or Claude actually, yeah, right, Quan, so all these model, whatever you want, just copy this entire stuff, right? And in the Antigravity, just go here and just paste it, and just click on enter button, right? Now again this will ask you for API, like this is basically switching your your current model actually of Claude. Like currently it's saying Gemini 2.0, right? So it will change this model. Also we need to provide here API key as well. So wait a second, I will provide my API key, which I already copied it. So just copy this API key and paste it here. Allow it work, allow in this workspace. And type here like this is my API key, because of course it's processing, so it will not take this command, but yeah. So yeah, everything is done. Now just tell it that this is my API key. Right now it's fixed. Now what we have to do to just switch it, like our model is applied here or not, just close this terminal and create new terminal. Here simply write Claude and enter. Now you can see that our model just simply applied. Like previously it was showing Gemini Flash only. Currently it's showing Gemini 2.5 Pro preview, right? If we say like give it any command like how is going, so we'll getting this command, this API, right? This error actually, maybe because it's not, this model is not free. So let's use the free model, like OpenRouter. Yeah, this one we can use actually, free router. And the same thing we'll do here, paste this command and hit enter button. It will take a while to apply it. Sometime, because we are using free version, it will ask you to just retry, so don't bother about that. Now it applied successfully. I'll close it again, terminal, and reopen my new terminal. Type here Claude and let's see whether, so basically you can see that another like free OpenRouter free model applied, right? Just simply like how is going. Let's see whether the error is showing or not. So you can see that I am doing well, thank you. Now how can I help you, right? So this is working fine. If you like this video, please hit on like button, subscribe this channel, and if you have any question or suggestion, do let me know in the comments down below. Till then, I will see you in the next video. Signing off.